How to upgrade drone components in Last War. So in order to do this, you're gonna have to build and access the actual drone center. So you're gonna have to reach around stage 38 to unlock that specific drone center in your base. This hub is pretty much where all the drone upgrades happen. Once you do so, you can use two core methods to upgrade. The first one is under the attributes tab. You can find the data training, which is drone attributes. Use combat data and then drone parts to increase your drone's level. This boosts the drone's stats and provides buffs to your heroes. The next is components other than data training. You have it for drone gear slots, the components, so you can unlock when your HQ reaches level 15. So there is around 6 gear slots that includes radar, turbo engine. There's also external armor, thermal imager, fuel cell, and airborne missiles. And then other than that, there's additional enhancement options, which is skill chips, unlock around day 85 of server launch, adds 4 specialized slots, which is initial, attack, interface, and then the defense. So skill chips give stat boosts to the drone and relevant hero types. Then it's a card from skill chip chests and shops, events, or campaign and alliance stores. But anyways, that's pretty much how you upgrade drone components in Last War. Reach stage 38 around this main campaign level, or you can also make your HQ to level 15 where you can unlock the components for your drone gear slots. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.